Hello, good morning, students. Today we will study about exercise 1.3. So, your first question is prove that under root 2 is a rational number. So, we will consider let under root 2 is a rational number. Hence, under root 2 is equal to P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. We know that any rational number can be written as P upon Q form. That's why we will consider under root 2 is equal to P upon Q. So, under root 2 is equal to P upon Q. Under root 2Q is equal to P. Squaring both the sides, we get 2Q square is equal to P square. It means Q square is equal to P square upon 2. P square upon 2 means P square is divisible by 2, क्योंकि 2 से डिवाइड हुआ तभी क्यों आया क्यू स्क्वायर. इट मीन्स P स्क्वायर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. अगर किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर 2 से डिवाइड होता है तो वह नंबर भी 2 से डिवाइड होगा. इट मीन्स इफ P स्क्वायर इज डिवाइडेड बाय 2 तो P भी 2 से डिवाइड होगा, P अपॉन 2. लेट दिस इज C. तो फ्रॉम हियर P इज इक्वल टू 2C एंड P स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4C square. You have this statement. Okay, and after this Q square is equal to 2C because P is equal to 2C. Putting in equation first, let this is equation first. So it will 2C square upon 2, it will 4C square. After cancellation it will 2Q square is equal to 4C square and 2Q square upon 4 is equal to C square. It means Q square upon 2 is equal to C square. This statement again gives us that Q square is also divisible by 2, and if Q square is divisible by 2, then Q will also divided by 2. This statement and this statement both are same. So let Q अगर 2 से डिवाइडेड है, it is D. Okay, so we have P upon 2 is equal to C from here and Q upon 2 is equal to D from here. तो इन दोनों में हम क्या देख रहे हैं, बोथ नंबर P and Q बोथ आर डिविजिबल बाई 2. दोनों 2 से डिवाइड हो जा रहे हैं, बट हमने कंसीडर क्या किया था कि P एंड Q आर प्राइम नंबर्स. तो अगर ये दोनों प्राइम नंबर्स हैं तो इन दोनों के बीच में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होना चाहिए. बट हियर क्या है, 2 कॉमन आ रहा है, 2. सो prime numbers that have no common numbers, it means our assumption जो हमने यहाँ पे माना था कि यह एक रेशनल नंबर है is wrong. So we can say that under root 2 is not a rational number, that is an irrational number. Okay, so students, similarly we can prove that under root 3, under root 5, under root 7, these are irrational numbers. The method will same. Okay.